Hey, what's up guys? Back at it again. This video I got here for you today is going to be 2 camping trips in one video. 2 camping trips in one video because the first trip was basically just a rain out, a washout, and I really didn't get to film that much because there really wasn't much happening other than 3 dudes sitting in a cabin while it was raining outside. And then the second trip was just yesterday. It was kind of snowy and blowy, and again, I didn't really film too much outside because of that. Gonna mash them up together. This is trip 1. This was back in November. Congdon 9, Allegany State Park, Red House side. You! All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've made it. Here we are. It is raining and snowy. There's the big rock. It's the whole reason we got this cabin right there. Darn tootin'. Darn tootin'. All right, we are here. Time to unload.
Here and we are queer.
Who's we? You got a turd in your pocket? All right, guys. Shelter set up. You know what time it is. Step 2. All right, here's the setup. Charlie's side on the right over there. We got 2 bunks. We got Tommy for sure coming, and maybe our buddy James, so we'll see what happens up there. Same Kelty bag, Wiseall pillow, wool blanket over the gross mattress. Alright guys, we're back. We're all set up. Give you a little tour here. It's a coat area. We got some video game table, my stuff. Got Tommy in the upper bunk. We got a dartboard hung, metal tip. That's cool. Switch. In the pantry, full of goodies. Stacked. Some pretty lights. Charcoal grill. Table, cook setup. Extra beers. Brought the pop-up tent because it's just supposed to rain the entire time. Fire pit. Got this big ass rock. This is the whole reason we got this cabin. We wanted to see what the fire looked like with the big rock right here. And I don't know if we'll be able to have a fire or not. Look at that. This is the first snow I've seen this year.
Right. 118.
1. Close that ones.
This is a way high dartboard.
I was
That's an 18.
No.
2 1s.
It is very high.
It's very high.
Let's lower it.
I got an 18. Somebody mark me?
Why don't we eat?
All right. Good morning, everybody. Not a whole lot to film last night. It was raining the entire time, so we just hunkered down in the cabin, really, and played some games, played some table games, played some video games. Not a whole heck of a lot to film. It's gonna be like a 1-room movie like Saw. It is the morning, it is Saturday. I am up, took a quick shit and shower, and the other boys are still sleeping, so I'm gonna get out of their way and let them rest for a little while and go for a little drive. Not really sure what today's gonna bring, but it's not raining currently, which is fantastic news because I thought it was gonna rain the entire time. So I'm half tempted to start a fire as soon as I get back to the cabin, just so we can burn some of the wood that we brought. It was raining the entire drive and the entire time we were at the cabin last night. Alright, here's one little explorer. This is the one. Love to camp here. Well, alright guys, it's raining again. Day 2. Just got back from Salamanca. Salamanca. And there was sunshine and blue skies when we woke up this morning, so we figured, hey, let's go for a little drive. And now it's raining again. We've picked up a whole bunch of wood we're not going to be able to burn. This trip sucks. Start a fire?
Boom! That's not good. That's better.
Boom sauce!
Old Smokey down here.
She's a little slick. Alright guys, what's going on? Not a whole heck of a lot over here. It's been raining all day. All day yesterday, all day today, except for the morning. We went to Salamanca. Now we're back, just hunkered down, having a fire. Not a whole heck of a lot doing. So that was the rain out washout on Congdon Trail. Next trip is Allegany State Park Quaker Side, and this is Weller Cabin 6, and this was December 19th to the 21st. We got some snow, we had some fun, and I'll roll on those clips now. You! Going on. I don't know if you can hear me too well with the heater kicking on and off. There's one downside about these cabins with electric heat, or propane heat rather. a little noisy, but here it is. Shelter set up. You know what time it is. Time for step 2, a frosty cold one. Cheers, guys. Alright, so I'll give you just a quick look around. Literally just got here, did a very brief setup, but Sweller 6, been here before. Fire pit, nice long driveway. This is Barton Trail over here, which isn't even bookable this time of year. Normal, nice big porch. And then we go in. It's got the knotty pine interior, because these ones are heated, so there's insulation in the walls, so it's not just that open, kind of crappy looking 2x4 setup. Pantry area, didn't bring too much. Probably gonna go shopping tomorrow. Everyday carry bag, you've seen a million times. Extra gray bag, just has extra clothes. Brand new wool blanket here I got from the wife, thank you. 40-degree Kelty as per usual. Wise Owl pillow. Old wool blanket down here for covering up the gross kind of vinyl mattress. Serves its purpose. Bathroom bag, camera bag, extra layers. Got some stuff charging already because my camera's half dead. Here's the heater that keeps going on and off, making all kinds of noise. Does a good enough job though. So next order of business, I'm gonna chill on this beer, and then I'm gonna start processing some firewood. Just spent a little while processing down some wood, but tidying up some stuff just to make it small enough to burn. Because everything I got's pretty wet. Just got it from my wood pile, and it's been getting snowed on for the past, I don't know, almost month now. Got it all set up over by the fire pit. About to get that thing lit. So, no bushcraft style here. This stuff is soaking wet. I pounded it down as much as I could, and found some random twigs laying around in the snow, but it's going to need some help. We're not here to bushcraft, we're here to start a fire. So literally just took a little finessing. No more boom sauce, a little bit of the leaf blower and a little bit of just adding more little pieces to it. That's a proper fire out there. Lo and behold, Charles shows up. You gotta piece the other side.
It's cold there.
Alright guys, what's up? Good morning. Successful night. Don't think I filmed too much after Charlie arrived. Just burned some wood and then eventually came inside and played some cards and whatnot. It is 8:05. It has snowed, as you can maybe see. I'm gonna go to the Shit Shack, but I'm not gonna go to this one. I'm gonna see if the nice one's open on Deal Trail. All right, man. Woo! Feel great. I love the new bathroom facilities. Shit and shower in the same room. And nobody was here today. Lovely thing about a Thursday, right? Park is empty. All right, friends. Anyway, so we're back at the cabin. It is morning. Charlie just went to go do his morning routine. We got a little snow overnight, so that's pretty cool. It's supposed to snow, I think, all day. Kind of on and off. Not anything like huge accumulation or anything, but this is what we woke up to. Pretty. Alright guys, what's going on? I just got back from a morning trip to town. Went to the antique mall as per usual. Did a little grocery shopping, get more beer, all that kind of thing. And it's a snowy day today. We just checked the weather report and apparently there's a winter weather advisory until like 6 a.m. tomorrow, so that's cool. Got 2-3 inches here. I'll take it. It's fun. Yay. We did a little scouting. I think there's only 4 trails open total, 2 on each side, and just did a little scouting to figure out what cabins are rentable for the next camping trip. So we got Summit and Sugarbush on the Red House side, and I got Weller and Deal on the Quaker side, and I think those are the only 4 that are open this winter. So now we got a few new cabin ideas in mind. Alrighty friends, just checking up with you. Been not filming anything, so there's really not too much to film, just standing outside burning some wood. It's dark out, Probably can't see much, but here's what we got going on. It's a freaking Rager. Oh, that is a tall fire. Yeah, it's almost as tall as you. Morning. Ooh. Time to get up. All right, cabin is all packed up. Everything's looking good. About to head home. Turn the heat back down. Lights off. Got the key. All right. Whew, till next time. Cheers, bud. Truck says 18 degrees. You got a couple low tires going on, but that's fine. Woo! All right, good trip. It's winter weathery out right now. We got a couple inches of snow last night, which is pretty cool. Good trip, another one in the books, and we were talking about booking another cabin for January. Like I said in the earlier, sometime in the video, we scouted a couple cabins on Summit, Sugarbush, Weller, what we were just on, and Deal. I got a note in my phone with some of those cabins, so we'll see what happens next. I think next time we're going to be shooting for Summit Trail, just because it's obviously on the top of a mountain and it's extra snowy up there, so those are always kind of fun. So anyway, thanks for coming along. Till next time, peace.